Hi, everybody. Thanks for watching my Zoom. Today I want to talk about VA loans and how they relate to creative finance. A little background on me. My name is Liz Lopez. I am a branch operations manager for Fairway Independent Mortgage. I've been in mortgage lending for the past 17 years. I got into real estate investing back in 2018, did 3 fix and flips in Houston, made some mistakes. It was very stressful, so I took a little break and got back in this past January when I joined SubTo. Super excited to meet whoever I haven't met. Met a lot of people at Clever Summit, hoping to meet more this weekend at the Freedom Conference. So today I'm going to talk about VA loans. Get to my PowerPoint here. Let's share my screen. Okay, so who am I? Once again, I've told you I'm Liz Lopez, branch operations manager, been in the mortgage business 17 years. I started as a loan officer. I was then a processor. I've been a first mortgage underwriter for 12 years, and now I'm a branch operations manager. So my main duty at Fairway is to manage the pipeline and the operations team. We have around 200 loans in the pipeline at once. That seems to be going down a little bit lately with interest rates going up. I make sure that all the loans get moving along and hit their close of escrow. So any issues that come up comes to me. Any mad borrowers, I'm the one who calls them. That doesn't happen very often, luckily. I also manage the income team. So in our branch, we actually collect all income docs up front and we underwrite the income before the loan is going to underwriting, because that is probably one of the #1 reasons that loans fall out of bed. So I review all the self-employed, rental, jumbo loans, variable pay, which means variable hours, bonus overtime commission, RSU, which is restricted stock, and assets for qualifying income. So I would consider myself an expert at calculating income for mortgage loans. And then my last duty at Fairway is to underwrite loans. So I am the branch underwriter. I do have a VA SAR and FHA DE delegation. However, I only underwrite W-2 refis at Fairway. So if you do need a refinance close really fast and you aren't waiting on an appraisal, I can get it done in a week and a half. So VA loans. Not sure if you guys know much about them, but they are 100% LTV financing for a purchase. It is an owner-occupied loan. Veterans pay a funding fee, so that's how they're able to get 100% LTV. They would pay that funding fee, just like FHA has mortgage insurance, unless the veteran is determined to be exempt. So the certificate of eligibility is what will tell you their exemption status. Majority of disabled vets are exempt. Max LTV for a cash out is going to be 90% on a VA loan. So we can go down to a 580 FICO. There is a 2-year seasoning for foreclosures and bankruptcies, 2-year history of employment, and then VA has 2 ratios that they calculate on. It's a debt to income ratio and then also a residual income calc. There is no DTI max on a VA loan. I have seen VA loans go approved that's up to 65% DTI. So just to tell you guys that guidelines are constantly changing. So anything I tell you today might not be what's true tomorrow. So always check with your mortgage professional. So a couple things that people are always asking me about VA loans in relation to creative financing. One of the questions I get asked is, hey, they already have a VA loan. They've already used their entitlement. Are they able to get another VA loan? And the answer is yes, as long as the loan amount is over $144,000. It is called bonus entitlement. They can reach out to the VA to make sure that they qualify for that if they're not sure. But yes, we can pull the certificate of eligibility, see how much entitlement they've already used, and most likely, yes, they will have additional entitlement to purchase another home. Like I said, as long as the loan amount's over $144,000. There is a worksheet also that we use to determine that information. The second question that I get asked a lot is regarding excluding VA loans from the debt to income ratio when it's taken over subject to. So VA is the guidelines for VA is a very gray area. I did talk to my SVP divisional underwriting manager just because so many people have been asking me and guidelines are so gray. So we can exclude a mortgage as long as we have proof that somebody else is making the payment. I called VA directly and they told me also that every mortgage company is different. Some may have overlays. However, as long as we can see that somebody else has been making the payment, we can exclude that debt from the DTI. So here is directly from my underwriting guidelines, what it says on contingent liabilities. Now, FHA and conventional loans have different requirements for excluding debts. It's not just to show that somebody else is making the payment. FHA is actually 12 months, and then conventional loans, you actually need to be obligated on the note. So we won't get into that today, but there are different requirements for FHA and conventional loans. And this phone number I have on here, this 877 number, you guys can reach out to them or the vet can reach out to them. They can answer any questions that you have on entitlement or, you know, a lot of times you'll get the certificate of eligibility and the vets don't even know what to do to restore their entitlement. So they can call the VA Loan Center and they will walk them through exactly what needs to be done to restore their entitlement. So that is it. If you guys liked this, please let me know and I will do some more of this. This one was pretty basic. I can go into more detail with underwriting guidelines. And also Jacob Fry and I were thinking about doing a live Zoom where you guys could join in and just ask questions, bombard us from a loan officer perspective and then an underwriter perspective. And that's about it. If there's anything I could do to make the Zoom better, please let me know. This is the first one that I've ever done. So you guys have a good day. Oh, my phone number is 602-410-0995. If you guys have any questions, if you need me to talk to one of your bars, please shoot me a text. Let me know. I'd be happy to speak with anybody. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.